Welcome to Getting Started with Bootstrap 4 Web Development, a video course by Packt Publishing. In this course, you will see how to build responsive web pages and also learn to speed up front-end development. I'm Todd Heppenstall, and I will be the presenter for this course. This course is the brainchild of Silvio Moreto. He is a developer with more than 7 years of experience with, and he is also the creator of, the Bootstrap Select plugin, which is a very popular plugin among the community. Besides this, he is very active in the open source community. Bootstrap is a free, open source collection of tools that help developers create websites or web applications. It provides a faster, easier, and less repetitive solution to designing and building websites and applications. Bootstrap offers a wide set of tools from PageGrid up to components that render a web page in the best possible way for any device. This is a step-by-step guide that closely focuses on developing interesting web applications in the most objective way. Here's how the course is structured. First, we'll look a bit at the background to Bootstrap and show you how to set it up in a web page. We will then start creating our web page with the help of Grid System. In the third section, we will focus on mobile design and site responsiveness. After that, we will use the Bootstrap themes and elements to improve the style of our page. In the final section, we will complete our web page by making and adding components all over the landing page. For this course, we need the latest version of web browser and Atom text editor. There is some versions of the framework, but in this course, we will provide support for the latest Bootstrap 3 version, which is version 3.3.5, along with the newest version 4, which is 4.0.0 alpha. When a feature or component is differently supported by one of these versions, we will point it out properly. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this wonderful journey.